everyone, how are you? I think all are fine. Today I will learn you how to make homepage design. In this previous lecture, I learned you how to make this type of gym splash screen design. We have learned this splash screen. Today I will learn you homepage design. Okay, so first of all, same process. We will take one box. There will be size around 414 896. You can remove border. I will lend you some fast because my software time limit is around 10 minutes. So I will just copy paste and I will give you example how can you do that. Okay. So first of all, gym for you can left margin around 20 pixel in left side or right side. It will be around 20. Okay. You can keep 25 also. Yeah. After that, I will type gym for you. Okay. After that, you will type recent exercise. So copy paste, type them, recent exercise. Okay. You will see there will be size around 12 or 16 pixel. So you will do same 16 color code. You will copy here and paste them. It will be aligned in middle. You are looking there is a top shadow box, so you can also choose. Okay, then give box shadow. You can give, yeah, it's too much, so you can reduce 555. Okay, remove border. You will see it's looking some similar. Yeah, looking fine now. Okay, you can check it's a middle or not. So you will have to do. Okay, now check. Now fine. Remove that. After that, I will take one box and you will have to copy paste name. It's a same color, size. You can see 174 to 4214. So you can choose 174214. Remove border because and give border radius 30 for round boxes. You will see one round box is there, so you can also choose. Now looking fine. Remove border. Yeah. If you want this type of image, so you will have to go FreePic website. You can choose gym vector. I have, so you can choose any type of image. For example, this type you can use and cut them, but it's you will see it not should be copyright issue. You can use free images, but don't use paid images. If you want to use paid image, so you will have to take license on this website. So I will copy this image and paste this image and choose here. Same process, 2 hours, copy, sorry, I will type here 2 hours. You are looking, it's the same, and after that I will choose round box. There will be color white, border will be removed, and I will go, I want arrow, so I will go flat icon, arrow. You can choose SVG icon. download them. You will see Nash SVG. So I will import this icon. Yeah, now looking too much fine and good. I will have to more small this icon. Yeah, you can copy and paste them. You will change color. There is a color blue, so copy this color. After that, paste this color. You can align this design also because we are working fast. So you can see, you can remove this box. Okay, then you will lock this layer. Then copy this new design and paste. Same process is here. We will change color. We will change color. Round circle. Why? Oh, I understand. It's getting image, not an issue. You will have to change this color and you will remove this image. I will copy this image because you can download this image on FreePic website. Okay, I think you understand. After that, categories, so you go here and just copy paste. You can align complete contain. So type here categories. It's some time taking work, but I'm telling you some fast because I want to explain you how to make this type of design. Okay, then go first image and choose this color and remove border. This is a radius, so you can give radius around 10. Okay, so same process. I will copy paste. You can choose image in FreePic website or any other website. Free, it should be a free website, and you can choose same 61 62. So you can choose 61 62. Okay, then you will do copy paste. Then copy paste. You will change image and change color. Copy paste. Copy paste. After that, same process. Sorry, I will have to type caps letter because all are caps. I did mistake in previous design also, so I will improve it. Sorry. Yeah, it will be the same because downward also in small. I got some confused, so not an issue. Sometime it's happen everyone. Yeah, I will choose this type of box. So you will see same process which one we have done above. Same color code. Border you can remove. You can give box shadow, and please like and subscribe my channel. You can also make this type of design, so I will learn you more. So I think you understand how I did this design because my limit is over in this software, so I will have to end this chapter. Okay, so I think you understand how you can create this design. Please like and subscribe my channel. It will be grateful for me. I will learn you more type of designs, so don't worry about that. Okay, bye bye.